Hi, this is the St Leonards Square complex by Mirvac.
This is a very exciting 2-bed, 2-bath home with beautiful view overlooking the Sydney Harbour. So if you're looking for a good quality, generously sized home, then come and check this out with us. Let's go. Now pulling up some of the project facts. Today we are at the O3 apartment in the William Tower of the St Leonards Square complex, which is the closest to the Harbour Bridge, but you can also have this part of the view that stretches to the entire Sydney Harbour and the Manly Heads. Let's check out the living area. You will see an open plan living and dining area with floor-to-ceiling glass frontage capturing this gorgeous sunrise view. You will see a squarish living area with no odd shapes. The living area also has direct access to this spacious all-weather entertaining balcony. I'm going to show you this amazing kitchen space. It comes with a long kitchen island bench, all come with European appliances and plenty of cabinetry. Now this is my favorite part of the home. Look at the size of this master bedroom. You've got built-in robes here, which is really high ceilings and glass frontage all throughout your rooms, as well as the bedroom space, which really elevates to the openness of the home and capturing the uninterrupted harbour view from all angles. With this queen-size bed, there's still plenty of room to walk around or put a casual or study table here, which shows you how much room you can expect to have in this ensuite. Residents get to enjoy a variety of amenities in the complex, including concierge, indoor pool, fully equipped gym, sauna, spa, yoga room, resident dining lounge, and also music room, theatre room, and an outdoor barbecue area.
Thank you for joining us on this home tour. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity.
My name is Faye and this is Jeffrey Lee, and we welcome you to our next open home.